In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF portfolio in Adobe Acrobat. A PDF portfolio is a single organized container that holds multiple files, PDFs, images, slides, spreadsheets, and more, without converting or merging them. Each item keeps its original format, which makes portfolios perfect for proposals, case studies, or any package where you want to preserve file fidelity while sharing everything together. Unlike a combined PDF, a portfolio keeps file metadata, original compression, and interactive elements intact, which can be essential for spreadsheets, forms, or high-resolution images. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer so you're looking at the main workspace. At the top of the window, click See All Tools. This takes you to the Complete Tools library where Acrobat groups actions like Create, Edit, and Organize. Navigating through tools is the most reliable way to reach the portfolio options, especially if your home view looks different. Next, choose Create a PDF. You'll see options for building a new PDF from many sources. Because we want to gather multiple items at once, select multiple files. This tells Acrobat that you're not turning a single document into a PDF, but assembling several files together. From there, click Create PDF Portfolio. This is the critical choice that builds a portfolio rather than combining files into one long document. Portfolios keep your files separate inside a unified wrapper so the recipient can open, preview, and download each item individually. When the portfolio workspace opens, look to the upper left corner and click Add File, then select Add Files. Your system's file picker will open. Browse to the folder that holds your materials, select the sample files you want to include, and confirm your selection. If you're picking more than one file from the same folder, you can select them together before confirming to speed things up. Finally, click Open. Acrobat will import the selected items into the portfolio and display them as NC as entries you can preview. You'll notice that each file keeps its own name type and size, which makes it easy to confirm you grabbed the correct content. If a file doesn't appear as expected, simply repeat the Add Files action and include it. Having your source files grouped in a folder before you begin makes the Add Files step faster and less error-prone. That's it, the core workflow to assemble a PDF portfolio in Acrobat. You now have a clean, professional container that preserves each file as is while keeping everything in one place. Use this approach anytime you need to deliver a polished package without altering original documents.